All the actions of China, which is an implementation of the Coast Guard law, which took effect 01 February 2021, are illegal. They are against international law. Our Commander-in-Chief said they are all unacceptable. The SND said they are provocative. China is out of tune, out of step, out of their minds. Lawfare is one of the instruments in their cookbook. The ultimate objective of China is sea control of the South China Sea. They will use the different instruments of their national power to assert that.
And the Navy, sir, is prepared in case of any...
The Philippine Navy and the entire armed forces, yes. The fishing ban, about the actions of the Philippine Navy, without going into details, which are already at the operational level, I would like to say that all actions of China that will threaten our national sovereignty, our territorial integrity, and the welfare of the Filipino people will only serve to strengthen the Philippine Navy's and the AFP's resolve to perform its mandate. This will further serve as a unifying call, not only for the entire armed forces, but for all Filipinos as well. Thank you. The announcement of the fishing ban and the threat to arrest Filipino fishermen when the President gave his guidance of the shift of the AFP from internal security to external defense, and the SND's pronouncement of the CADC, the Philippine Navy and the AFP already conducted some reallocation of naval capabilities that will allow us to project further to secure and to protect our EEZ. So to our fishermen, rest assured, bago man lang nagsabi ang China na ando na ang Philippine Navy at ang AFP.